Whoa, Banite Kuamiaka, come on, we boy, everyone. Shout out to Jack Harlow, Lord damn it. Christmas for the 5 or 6 days. Man never name me I no send. Truth be told, one day I no send. When a jire got take go pens. Poverty won't fuck, but me I no bend. Hardworking guy living like no stress. Man don't quit, but man don't fess. Worry and the spot just the weekend. Corona came, Corona fuck. Niggas just go house, they complain. Me and they walk, they say me the what? Don't just see I'm sad, no complain. Palliative is able to tell you no the cost. This is what you get for being the poor. Rich is what you get for breaking the law. This is what you get for making a choice. I can rap, you rap niggas out here feeling like you're the best. But I cannot shoot the same video, the year is over. I feel like I failed the test. I don't like to think about my weakness. That shit they make me depressed. But I'm out here on the beach, chilling with the baddest chick. I call her Jesse Finesse. I know can't get it to play the softball. But my Igbo and then went the tough love. They run this through just to help boys, but they don't reach me, want to chop boys. Man, you Jesse, no be tom-tom. Your flows go nylon, mine go condom. Or day she sings when the born us. Igbo boys when the shade in the rising sun.
Where is she? Back to me.
Or day she sings when the born us. Igbo boys when the shade in the rising sun.